This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carrell. Rarely available pool home. Maintenance free. Look no further for your dream pool home in Florida. This spacious, one owner, freestanding condo is perfectly located in St. Andrews east of the Plantation Golf and Country Club on a quiet cul-de-sac, Lancashire Drive. The open layout with 10 ceilings throughout gives a large open, spacious feel. 2 of the bedrooms provide ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets, perfect for hosting guests. The kitchen features granite countertops and beautiful wood cabinetry, soft close drawers, and pull-out shelving with a large walk-in pantry as well as an eat and breakfast nook. Included are stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, self-cleaning oven with convection feature/glass cooktop and an over-the-stove microwave. Additionally, the kitchen has a granite breakfast bar with pass-through to the formal dining area. There is a water softener system with a reverse osmosis feature at the sink. This home features plantation shutters, Hunter Douglas blinds and ceiling fans throughout. The formal dining area has sliding glass doors that open to a private patio. A tray ceiling with crown molding distinguishes the great room, giving the split floor plan functionality and style yet providing privacy for all. The great room flows into the Florida room with triple glass sliding doors leading to the pool and lanai. The master bathroom has recessed dual medicine cabinets with granite countertops, double sinks and a sit-down vanity, a walk-in Roman shower and magnificent custom-etched glass door that opens to the pool/lanai. The lanai faces east, is very private and perfect for enjoying morning coffee as you take in nature on the lake and preserve while watching the sun rise. The expansive, oversized screened enclosure was built to accommodate a spa and is plumbed for an outdoor sink/kitchen. The sliding glass doors have hurricane shutters. The 2-car garage has storage shelving and painted floor. The paver driveway and walkway lead to a covered and screened front porch, perfect for opening the front door on cooler days, allowing the Gulf breezes to flow entirely through. Want an active community with lots to do? The St. Andrews East community has a convenient clubhouse with many social activities and can be used for private events and gatherings. There are also 2 pools within the community. Plantation Golf and Country Club is a master plan development with 2 championship golf courses, tennis and pickleball courts. However, membership is optional, making it unique amongst other local developments. VENICE, Sarasota and the New Welland Park are all thriving communities with shopping, dining, water sports and beaches all within a short distance. Enjoy the Brave spring training facility as well as world-renowned shark tooth hunting on Venice's lovely beaches while taking in awe-inspiring sunsets over the G.